Welcome to Self-Service Financial Information. This includes your student finance and financial aid modules. Student finance and self-service is where you will find your account statement. A summary of your balance displays on the overview screen. Select the term or the account activity link to display the detail for the semester charges. You may view online or click the View Statement for a PDF of the statement suitable for printing. Also in student finance are helpful links. You can select CashNet and make a payment link to pay online or to set up a payment plan. You may also view the payment due date links to the business office webpage, including the payment due dates for the semester. You may also view a 1098-T tax statement. This links to your online tax statements for tuition payments and scholarship amounts received to claim on your tax return. We also have Bank Mobile. Bank Mobile is a third-party agent that HSU uses to transfer funds to students electronically for refunds. More information is available in the FAQ section of the Business Office webpage. For questions or more information regarding your student account, contact the Business Office by email at businessoffice@hsutx.edu or call 325-670-1001 or on the website at www.hsutx.edu. From the Tuition and Aid menu, select Business Office.